Wagwan YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today, from the title, you know what we're about. We're going to be making some spinach and banana smoothie. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. It only requires just 3 ingredients or even 2, right? So we're going to be making some spinach and banana. So I have here some frozen bananas. And what I normally do is when the banana them look like them a go spoil or them overripe, I normally just get my Ziploc bag, peel all of them and put them in the Ziploc bag and store them in the refrigerator. It is easier that way because when you're ready you can just whip up one smoothie quick and fast. And I also have here some fresh spinach you can get from your local grocery store or your farmer's market. Fresh and ready to go, guys. But what I'm about to do here is to rinse the spinach. So wash off the whole of them dirt and the little insect or them something there, you know. So they are now rinsed, and I'm just going to put them into the bullet blender. So just load it up with some spinach. So when you add spinach to your smoothie, you know spinach is an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, also magnesium and iron. If me don't know nothing else about spinach and the vitamins that it provides, I know for sure that it provides you with iron, right? So it is an excellent source of iron. So you can also use beetroot. I'll put a link in the top right corner. So if you're anemic or so for lack of iron, you can whip up some spinach and banana smoothie. Also you can make some beetroot smoothie. I'll put the link right there so you can check them out. I have done a video previously on how you can prepare your beetroot smoothie or beetroot juice. 2 different ways. So I just added the banana, the spinach, and I'm now adding some almond milk. So when you add the almond milk, it gives it a different flavor, different taste. You can also add your choice of milk, and I'm going to add some cube of ice. The banana's already frozen, but I want it to be more chill, so I added some cube of ice, right? And then I'm going to blend until smooth. So after blending the smoothie, this is how it is looking. I added 2 bananas, but it is too light for me, so I went in and added some more bananas. I had half more, and I'm going to blend again because I want it a little bit more thicker. I wanted it to be more thicker, so I went in and added more banana. And with this recipe you don't need to add any sugar, but if you want to go ahead you can add some honey, right? But I didn't add any sugar. And here is the final touch, our spinach and banana smoothie. Look at that, guys. What do you need more than a green smoothie? Healthy and delicious. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Guys, let me taste it for you. Guys, it tastes good. Me not lie to you, know, it tastes very good. It is smooth, and you could taste that touch of almond, that almond flavor that you added, right? So it is good. If you want to check out more for videos, check these out.